Today's tutorial is a real game changer. Let's dive right into the world of Photoshop collage effect. Open image in Photoshop. Convert the image to a smart object. Desaturate the image. Ensure the image is completely desaturated. Use the hue saturation adjustment and bring the saturation all the way down. Apply oil paint filter under the Stylize section. Use the oil paint filter with the first two values cranked all the way up. Ensure the lighting is turned off. Go to Image Adjustments. Apply shadows and highlights. Use the shadows and highlights adjustment to bring out details, especially in areas like hair or eyes. Go to the filter gallery and apply the cutout filter. Adjust the edge fidelity and edge simplicity to simplify the image without losing essential shapes. Apply Posterize Adjustment Layer. Use a Posterize Adjustment Layer set to 4 levels to reduce the image to 4 shades of gray. Add a Levels Adjustment Layer below the Posterize layer. Adjust the levels values to control where the 4 gray values begin and end. Apply Gradient Map Adjustment Layer. Edit the gradient to replace the 4 gray values with solid black, solid red, solid green, and solid blue. Adjust the location of each color. Drag in 4 textures that correspond to the 4 values of gray. Scale and position them as desired. Blend textures using Blend. If. For each texture layer, use the Blend If option in the blending options. Set the textures to only be visible over specific color values. Fine-tune with Levels Adjustment. Revisit the Levels Adjustment to change the distribution. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and learn more about DTF printing.